Unboxing this Falcam F22 dual quick release mount. Comes in this nice case, but this case looks like it was cracked upon shipping. That's fine. It's just a case. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice padded case. I wish I could hold on to it, except it's cracked right there. So here you have some screws, Allen wrench, and another tool, and this is what it looks like. Oh, I see. So the quarter 20s are not inside the mounts yet, the plates. F22 plate, and then I got to screw in that quarter 20 there. One turn unlocks the ball joints, and the ball joints right here, it has a plastic circle in there, and this is probably to add grip. Otherwise, the ball joint here is pretty slick. There's no grooves in it to add more tension surface, but I don't think this needs it. One tighten, one turn, a couple turns. It's really tightened. Now, is this a ratcheting? Let me see if this is a ratcheting. Yep, this is a ratchet knob. So if you tighten it all the way and it's like that and you want it aligned more to the center, yep, right there. Oh yeah, the tension strength is pretty strong. Let me unloosen it. The reason why you want a really big turn knob here is the bigger the surface, the easier it is to tighten it and untighten. I really like this. I wish there were some maybe quarter 20 mounts on the side to screw in other stuff, but I don't think people are gonna use that for that. Release, locks, great. This is the Falcam F22 quick release. This is the 7-inch magic extension arm. Opening it for the first time. Comes in a cardboard case here with some foam inserts for protection. Looks like on this side here are your quarter 20s and some Allen key screw. And here's the 7-inch arm. Yeah, this is really thick and a very nice build quality. The build quality is excellent. This feels very industrial, strong, large knob that is easy to turn. Is it ratcheting? No, this one does not ratchet. Undo this. Oh yeah, I can feel in here the clicks. So it does have teeth. So when you lock this in, it really holds a strong amount of weight. And here, one twist should not only loosen this joint, but it should also loosen both ball joints, and they do. And then each ball joint has the F22 plate, release plate on there. And looks like all of these Falcams, they don't come with the quarter 20s already there. You have to screw them in, which is fine. But yeah, this is really heavy and it feels very strong.